Welcome to Dhanush Vidmed telemedicine platform. Our platform is compliant with the latest MCI guidelines. There are two aspects of Vidmed platform, web URL which is for the doctor side and the mobile application which is for the patient side. This is the mobile application for the patient side. Patient can download the app from the Google Play Store. After installing the app will look like this. We have added the support of 10 plus regional languages. The patient can choose language according to their preference. Now, for the first time, the patient needs to get registered onto our platform. So here are the basic details that we require from the patient, such as name, surname, age, mobile number. So the patient needs to enter his mobile number and click on this generate OTP button. The OTP will be sent to the patient mobile number. They have to validate the OTP and enter rest of the details such as password, and also we have added this doctor unique code feature. So we will be providing the doctor a unique code if the doctor wants that their patient only able to see them. So if the doctor can provide that code to their patient, and when the patient enter that unique code, the patient will only able to see that particular doctor in the available doctors list. After that, you can select for the language, state, and click on submit button to create a new account. After that, the patient can log in to their account by entering their mobile number and the password they have selected for the account. After clicking on login, the patient, this is the landing page of the application. The patient can see his image along with the basic details of himself. If you scroll down to the application, the patient can see the details of the latest consultation that he has completed with the doctor. He can see the details of medication and investigation suggested by the doctor. By clicking on view button, patient can download the PDF format of the prescription, and by clicking on history, patient can get details of the previous consultation. Also, under the dependent tab, patient can also add their children under the same account. By clicking on plus button on the bottom right, patient can add the profile of the dependent on the same account. Apart from dependent tab, we have this edit profile tab also. Here the patient can edit the details about himself after creating the account also. So these all are the details that the patient can update it on the later part. Also we have the invoice tab. So for every payment the patient has made to the doctor, he'll be able to see the invoice under the invoice tab. So it will include the doctor name and the amount the patient has paid to that doctor. If he clicks on the download button, the PDF format of the invoice will be get downloaded on the phone, and for some reason if the amount is deducted from the patient side and he is not able to make the video call due to some technical issues, he can ask for refund by clicking on this refund button. All the refunded list of the items will be shown under the refund tab, and it will immediately get processed, and it will take 7 to 8 days for amount to get reflect back into the patient's account. Now, for a patient to start a consultation, he has to click on call doctor button. After that, pop-up will appear to select whether the call is for self or dependent. So after that, it will start showing the doctors with their details such as name, specialization, etc. There are two options. You can either go for the chat or directly go for the video consultation. By clicking on the blue message icon, you can start the chat with the doctor prior to the consultation, or else this is the free chat option, or else you can straight away start the video consultation by clicking on the green camera icon. It will redirect the patient to the payment gateway. The patient needs to pay the consultation charges first. After filling in the card details, and the OTP, it will redirect the patient to the app. So the patient can do the payment through all the online payment modes. So after payment successful, it will redirect the patient to the app, and a pop-up will appear saying transaction is success. So after clicking on OK, the call will be made to the doctor, and doctor can accept the call. So after the call getting established, the patient can see the video of doctor as well as himself, and they can start the consultation. After the consultation gets completed, the patient will be redirected to the home page of the application. Here, the patient can see the details of the consultation by scrolling down through the application. The patient can see the medication and the advice the doctor has suggested, and if patient wants to download the prescription, he can click on the view button. After clicking on view button, it will redirect you to the mobile browser and PDF file will start downloading. After downloading, the patient can see the prescription and use this prescription to buy the medicine from the nearest pharmacy, as it has the digital signature of the doctor. This is all about the patient side of the Dhanush Vidmed telemedicine platform. Thank you.